Dear kids, today we are going to learn the sound of N. The sound of N is hmm, hmm. Touch your tongue to the back of your upper teeth and then blow the air from your nose. Hmm, hmm, nose, nose. Net, net. Net. Nest, nest, nest. Name, name. No, no. Nine, nine, nine. Nail, nail. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more such videos. Take care.